Due to the many deflections, valves represent a significant flow resistance in a fluidic system, especially in applications where cross-contamination or the consumption of expensive media should be reduced or avoided. Flushability is a major challenge. How can this challenge be overcome? The media-separated valve VYKA shows its strengths here. On the one hand, the valve is characterized by a very small internal volume of only 16.1 to 18.4 microliters. On the other hand, its special design prevents dead zones in the valve's fluid chamber. In addition, our valve experts have significantly improved the flushability of the VYKA by optimizing the internal flow geometry. To demonstrate this, in several tests, the valve was filled with a colored medium and then flushed with a colorless liquid. This proved that the VYKA valve has above average flushability, even at very low flushing volumes. If excellent flushability and low media consumption are crucial in your application, then the VYKA media-separated valve is the right choice.